Are you tired of constantly feeling like your hard-earned money slips through your fingers? Well, I've got a treasure trove of 15 frugal ways to save money that will make you shout, cha-ching. Get ready to unlock the secrets of financial freedom as I reveal practical and creative strategies to keep more cash in your wallet. It's time to take control of your finances and start living a frugal life without sacrificing the fun. Stay tuned for the ultimate money saving adventure. Welcome to my channel, where I share valuable insights and tips to help you make the most of your money. In today's video, I'll be discussing 15 frugal ways to save money. By implementing these strategies into your lifestyle, you'll be able to achieve your financial goals while still enjoying life's pleasures. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Budgeting. The first step towards saving money is creating a budget. By tracking your income and expenses, you'll gain a clear understanding of where your money is going. Allocate funds for essential items, such as housing, transportation, and groceries, while setting aside a portion for savings. Remember, a well-planned budget is the foundation for financial success. Step 2. Meal planning. One significant area where you can save money is through meal planning. Plan your meals for the week ahead. Create a shopping list and stick to it. By avoiding impulsive purchases and utilizing leftovers, you'll reduce food waste and save money on unnecessary grocery expenses. Step 3. Couponing. Coupons are a frugal shopper's best friend. Take advantage of online and paper coupons to get discounts on your favorite products. Sign up for loyalty programs at stores you frequently visit and keep an eye out for special promotions. Couponing can help you save a significant amount of money over time. Step 4. DIY projects. Embrace your creative side and tackle do-it-yourself projects. From home repairs to homemade gifts, DIY projects can save you a substantial amount of money. Explore tutorials and resources online to learn new skills and start saving on professional services. Step 5. Energy efficiency. Being energy conscious not only benefits the environment, but also your wallet. Switch to energy efficient appliances, turn off lights and electronics when not in use, and adjust your thermostat to conserve energy. These small adjustments can add up to substantial savings on your utility bills. Step 6. Entertainment on a budget. Entertainment doesn't have to break the bank. Look for free or low-cost activities in your community, such as local festivals, parks, and museums. Take advantage of streaming services or borrow books and movies from your local library. By being creative, you can enjoy entertainment while still saving money. Step 7. Transportation. Transportation expenses can eat up a significant portion of your budget. Consider carpooling, using public transportation, or biking to work if feasible. Additionally, proper vehicle maintenance and fuel. Efficient driving habits can help reduce your overall transportation costs. Step 8. Shopping smart. Before making a purchase, compare prices, read reviews, and look for discounts. Avoid impulse buying and practice mindful shopping. Consider buying used items or borrowing from friends and family for items you need temporarily. By shopping smart, you'll save money while still getting the things you need. Step 9. Financial services. Review your financial services regularly to ensure you're getting the best deals. Compare bank accounts for low fees and higher interest rates. Shop around for insurance providers and consider bundling policies for potential discounts. These small changes in your financial services can lead to significant long-term savings. Step 10. Gym memberships. Gym memberships can be costly, especially if you don't utilize them regularly. Explore alternative options like home workouts, outdoor activities, or discounted fitness classes. Many online platforms offer free exercise routines that you can follow from the comfort of your own home. Step 11. Debt management. Paying off debt is essential for your financial well-being. Create a debt repayment plan and allocate extra funds towards paying off high-interest debts first. Consider consolidating your loans to get a lower interest rate. By managing your debt wisely, You'll save money on interest payments in the long run. Step 12. Don't be afraid to negotiate when making significant purchases or dealing with service providers. Research the market value of the product or service and use that information to negotiate a better deal. Many companies are willing to offer discounts or lower rates to retain customers. Step 13. Embrace minimalism. Adopting a minimalist mindset can help you save money and declutter your life. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if you truly need the item or if it will add value to your life. Focus on experiences and relationships rather than material possessions, and you'll find yourself saving money and feeling happier. Step 14. Track your expenses. Regularly track your expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Use expense tracking apps or create a simple spreadsheet to record your spending. By analyzing your expenses, you'll gain insights into your spending habits and be able to make adjustments to save money. Step 15. Celebrate small wins. Finally, celebrate your small wins along the way. Saving money is a journey, and it's essential to recognize your achievements. Treat yourself to a small reward when you reach a savings milestone, which will motivate you to continue on your frugal path. I hope you found these 15 frugal ways to save money helpful. By implementing these strategies into your daily life, you'll be on your way to financial success. Remember, it's the small changes that make a big difference. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Until next time, happy saving.